wanted to make a quick video to troubleshoot some 3 ideas for why your assignments might not be viewable to your students. So the first thing that I would look at would be is if you have an assignments area in this tab right here. So if you do, then and there's a square next to it that has a cross next to it, that just means that it's not viewable to your students. So what you would need to do is hover over it until you see this little gray triangle come down, and that's a drop down menu. So you would click on this, then you would go to show link. Let's give it a minute, and then you can see that the X'd out square is gone. So to double check to see if your students can view it or not, then you would have to go here to this little eye icon to student preview. So click on that, and it shows you what your students see. So you can see that they can see assignments now. So that's one option. However, if on your end you're not even seeing the assignments link in this area here, then you have to add it. Now this would probably be happening if this is a new thing for you, if you had never had an assignments area over here before. Usually it's preloaded into Blackboard, so it would have had to have been deleted, probably accidentally. So if you want to add it back in, and I just want to make a quick note, if it had been deleted and you have been using assignments through Blackboard to collect student work all semester, it would also delete all of the work that they had turned in. So Blackboard gives you 2 error messages when you try to delete assignments. So this is something that you probably would not have done. But anyway, I want to show you how to go in and add assignments. So you can go to this plus here and go to content area, name it assignments, click here, make it available to users, and then click submit. So down here, new content areas always go at the bottom, and I want to bring it up to the top because we all know our students won't scroll down here. So hover over this left side area until the cross icon comes up, and then drag it up to where you want it. I'm going to put it right underneath content. And you'll see, if we click on this, oh, assignments still isn't viewable to my students. That's because it's empty. So you have to put some content in before it's viewable to your students. So once you go to add an assignment, I'm clicking here. I'm just going to make a test assignment very, very quickly. I'm going to be very creative here, and I'm going to call it test. 1 point, submit. Then let's go back to this eye here, and you'll be able to see that the students can see this. So hopefully this helped a little bit. I'm going to upload this video to YouTube and then send you a link to it. And if something else is going on, then give me a call and we'll figure it out together. Okay.